Gago. Marami ko dyan yun eh. Malayo pa lang humihiga na kaagad ang puta. Nakakatawa puta. Kaya mo, sakmalan.
Meron yung hilmalawan, no?
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Head & Shoulders Anti-Hair Fall.
Oh, break mo na.
How do you know when you found the one?
Pag in good times and bad, nandiyan siya lagi.
Yun yung di na ako madi-disappoint. Wala na akong hahanapin pa.
The one for him and for her.
The one for me? Head & Shoulders Anti-Hair Fall. 100% dandruff-free ako.
At pag walang dandruff, 95% less hair fall. This is for me.
And for me.
My one and only.
Promise?
Promise. From the heart yan, ah.
And cut!
Kailangan kita. Basta kailangan kita. Mapakailan pa nga.
Sa bawat tikim, hahanap-hanapin.
Surf 5-in-1 Fabric Conditioner. Ngayon, may fragrance capsules na nanuot sa damit para sa freskong bango na mas tumatagal.
Nagpadala sa sarap. Panalo, di ba? Panalo appetite mo. Vita, the tasty cracker.
Everyone makes mistakes, do things that you regret, but you don't have to feel sorry. You can start over.
Your hair can be reborn. Cream Silk with Hair Reborn technology. A potent formula with purified ingredients that goes beyond repair. Cream Silk makes hair reborn. Why settle for just repair when your hair can be reborn with the real #1 in conditioners, Cream Silk.
Now, your best accessory can be your smile. Introducing Colgate Fresh Confidence White with unique strips of whiteness for whiter teeth in just 2 weeks. New Colgate Fresh Confidence White.
Colgate, #1 brand recommended by dentists.
Morning!
Have a great start this morning. I'm so happy this morning. Kain nila.
New Jollibee Breakfast Joys! Masayahin ang umaga sa bagong Jollibee Chicken Sausages with Pancakes. Or have a great start on the go with new Jollibee Corned Beef Pandesal.
Morning. Have a great start this morning.
Start your day great with Jollibee Breakfast Joys!
Would you dare to step out without makeup? No makeup? No way! So they took the Dove 7-day test. With White moisturizing cream for softer, more radiant, youthful-looking skin. After 7 days, bye-bye makeup, dare to bear radiant skin.
Ang pagiging at pagiging aktres, hindi nagkakalayo. Merong aksyon, meron ding romance. Puro paborito ang kinakain. Paano na ang nutrisyon niya? Ang bagong katawan ko, Lacto. May mga essential nutrients from the food pyramid to help make Johan be a 100% nourished kid. At ako, 100%
Ay, magsakmal.
matatag.
Nakagano na naman siya.
Kumpletuhin ang bawang set ng Lactum 3 Plus
Lumayo.
at Lactum 6 Plus.
Mga baliw.